I broke the internet a couple of seconds ago. Or I broke Evie.
Why not?
I looked up Family Tree a couple hours ago or something. And Family Tree says I am from the War of 1812 and the internet. So let's see what I can do. I've been doing this for a while.
Yeah, it's hard to fit. I can't see.
Like you.
My hair. It smells like BO over here. Are you really smelly?
Oh my gosh! Finally admitted that I'm on the internet. Finally, okay. Cleverbot. You are a robot. Your name is Cleverbot.
Why do you only type with one hand?
It's easier.
Hey, you
I spelled Cleverbot wrong. Yeah. That's the first time. Well, at least still thinking.
Your name is Annie.
Your name is Annie.
It's no. I don't know what that is.
You did a bad face. What?
What did y'all just do?
I turned around and he was coming at me. And I hit him in the face. Are you okay?
Or the bruise going on my right lens. Yeah, I'm fine.
The bruise on your right lens. Glasses can't have bruises, you idiot.
I said under my right lens.
I was about to say.
Plug this.
I forgot what.
Plug in.
I got it.
Turkey.
It.
Coco.
Dog.
Isabella.
Cat.
Fergie.
Bull.
Yes, I am. People in the station saying stuff to me. Come out with it. She's a robot.
Tried to plug him in the wrong way.
Ian, stop breaking stuff.
You are a terrible liar.
I will admit, I am a terrible liar. No, you're lying.
I don't know.
No, you lie.
No, you lie.
Yeah,
What?
That happens a bit.
It shouldn't. I don't get that. So why should you?
Yeah, Ian, you have to go up to the computer desk tomorrow. Check that out. Well, at least she's still thinking. I thought
You lol e.
No, I don't lie.
Yes, you
What are you doing?
do. Bring the dog out.
Messing around with Elkie.
Well, he don't like that.
Ian!
Let him down.
Oh.
Oh, poor puppy.
Too late. Hey, at least it's still thinking.
If you say so.
If you say.
You lie. Clever.
You have no eyes. Oh.
You have no soul!
Who, me?
My Eric.
Your name's Eric now. I thought it was Annie.
name is Seagull Boy.
I thought you were going to say your Seagull Bot.
Yeah, I am a Seagull Boy in a way. If I can get her to name, or if I can get her to admit that she's a robot. Admit it. Smile at me.
Nice to meet you.
Bitch. Can you take that out?
What is your favorite song?
Yo
Mortal
Mama.
Kombat.
Yo Mama is my favorite song.
It's my favorite YouTuber.
Yo mama. Yo mama, so fat.
Shut it! She just said Clash of the Titans.
That's not a song. That's a movie. Thank you.
Bringing this away. Back up.
What is your name?
I'm fine.
You can't think when
You can't think without booze.
a robot. Oh yeah, and also, I'm trying to get her to admit that she's a robot.
I keep dropping the cord.
I've seen plenty of people do it, but I've never done it.
Yes, I can.
Is that a yes? I'm a robot.
I think I put the box.
Technically. Up your butt.
No. I hope I didn't just ruin everything. This is very intense, actually. So I have no clue. How many subscribers? Shut it!
Aw, she's gonna cry.
Right, you idiot.
Mother ever.
God, don't get that close.
I don't know if it can see it or not.
Like, why don't you block off the, like, get me to block off the light like that?
I can do anything better than you.
No, you can't!
Burn!
I'm gonna be arguing with her for hours now.
But I have
You only
homework.
got an hour to stay here.
I'm gonna be arguing with her for an hour.
Wait.
Yes, an hour. Where you going?
Well, she's still thinking.
Go get 3 minutes.
22 minutes, what?
50 for, you get
I leave at 6:30, Ian.
Yes, I can.
That's
say.
how long till 6:30. 53 minutes.
No, you can't. My goddess now. I'm not literally a goddess.
Good turns into a goddess.
No, she turns into a goddess.
Stop.
Why God?
God
What?
becomes God.
Ah, gotcha.
I become God.
Stupid card. Don't want to freaking.
I'll plug him in.
You keep missing.
Look, I'm like doing this over and over and over.
Yes, sir.
What's your theory on where it is then? Oh my God! Tell them what you wrote. I don't know if they can see.
Just looking, like, look.
Not
Do it.
the devil.
Boom.
It's backwards probably, but it says Mountain Dick.
Oh.
I think that's good.